Can you guess what this is? It's the human tongue under a microscope that I just made. Let me explain. I recently got one of these wireless ear cameras off Amazon that cost around $10, and I had an interesting idea. So I grabbed a pair of scissors and I cut the top of it off. Next, I grabbed an old laser pointer I had that I bought at a dollar store. I grabbed a wrench and I broke it apart. And what I was looking for is this little lens that the laser shines through. After that, it was time for 3D designing. So I made this small little cap, and once it was printed, I took that laser pointer lens, put it inside of it, and put that over the camera. Now this can do something really cool. Here we have the regular endoscope looking at a flower that's on top of a towel. Let's now attach our device that we made, and it becomes a microscope. You can now see every single fiber on this towel. And the flower? Well, that's just beautiful. For the cost of $11, we now have a wireless portable microscope.